This is the beehive done. I took the cover off. Give a little smoke. I'm gonna pull this inner cover off to show you the bees underneath. This is 2 boxes. This right here, this is 2 boxes. So I'm gonna peel this off, and you're gonna see all the bees inside. These are pretty nice, aren't they? Not buzzing all over the place, nothing. Now, let me see if I could take a frame out. Take this and put this right over here. And now, I'm gonna get my thing, and I'm gonna pray the frames apart. And I'm gonna pull one out to show you. See, they're building comb. They're actually putting honey in these up here, as you can see. You can see down there, they're doing the same thing. So they're doing a good job. See, there's a lot of bees down there. This whole hive is packed with bees, and each one is the same. So they're doing very good, and I'm also treating them right now, all 2. They're on a 41-day treatment for mites. So by the time I go and split them, they will be all clean and ready to go. But as you can see, they're doing a fantastic job. So let me give these guys a little bit of smoke so they could go down below. They run down below. Well, I'm going to put the cover back on, and I don't want them to be on top and smash any. Well, smash at least as many as possible anyway. See? And nice and neat. And trying this new cover here, the new cloth cover, so it's less invasive when I open them up. But it's all covered back up, and I'm going to stop the video.